Lord Allan J. Quinto Velasco, born November 9, 1977, is a Filipino politician and lawyer who served as the Speaker of the House of Representatives from October 12, 2020 to June 2022. He was concurrently serving as the representative of Marindui's Lone District from 2010 to 2013 and from 2016 to 2025. He previously served as the Marinduque Chapter President of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines and Marinduque Provincial Administrator under Governor Jose Antonio Carrion. Velasco was born on November 9, 1977. His father is lawyer Presbitero Velasco Jr., who would later serve as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court from 2006 to 2018 and Governor of their home province, Marinduque, since 2019. His mother, Lorna Quinto Velasco, originally a nurse, ventured into politics, first as the representative of ANG Matayalagan, AMA or Mata party list from 2013 to 2016, and from 2016 onwards as mayor of Torreos, Marinduque. His sister, Tricia Nicole Velasco Catera, is also a lawyer. Velasco Catera was their father's judicial staff head in the Supreme Court and their mother's chief of staff in the House. She was AMA Mata party lists representative from 2016 to 2019. Velasco was educated in Manila, earning his Bachelor of Science in Business Management from De La Salle University and his Bachelor of Laws from the University of Santo Tomas. He was admitted to the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, IBP, in 2005. Personal life, Velasco married Rowena Wenamara on September 21st, 2012. They have 5 children: Sophia, Bella, Raymond, Sarah, and Lord Jose Maria. Wen chairs the Pilipinong May Puso Foundation, a charity launched in 2016 in honor of Soledad Duterte, President Rodrigo Duterte's late mother. Several high-profile personalities attended the baptism of their daughter Sarah in September 2019. President Bongbong Marcos, former President Rodrigo Duterte, businessman Raymond A.N.G., Senators Bongo, Mark Villar and Sonny Ongara, and Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte. The Velascos grew close to Rodrigo Duterte when they supported his presidential campaign. On Christmas of 2016, the Velascos celebrated at the Duterte family's house in Davao City. The Velasco couple also organized celebrations for the president's birthday in 2017 and 2018. the president and his daughter, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, were also guests at Velasco's 2018 birthday party. 18 Velasco. Consider Sara Duterte his big bike riding buddy. In the 2019 election, the president endorsed the Velasco family, who were running for various offices in Marinduque. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.